Yeah. I can see you, but I know you're there. I feel it. You're hanging around since I got here. Oh, I wish I could see your face. Just to look into your eyes and to tell you how good it is to be here. Just to touch something. Cold. Oh, she's so good. So good. How does it go together? It's fantastic. To draw? You take a pencil, and then you make a dark line, and then you make a light line, and together, it's a good line. A good line. Your hands are cold, yes. Rabbit. Oh, yeah, rabbit. I feel so good, yes, so good. There's so many good things. I wish you were here, but I'm here. I wish I could talk to you. Because I'm your friend, compañero.